Our day in our lives as a caterer. I am Rachel Andrada and I just want to share with you guys ang aming experience as a catering and a styling supplier. We are here now in Beleza Farm, Bacolor, Pampanga to cater the wedding of Stephen and Sunshine. We arrived in the venue around 7 a.m. pero mga 5:30 pa lang umalis na kami niyan sa bahay. Beleza Farm is a 2-hour drive from us in Kalumpit, including na dyan yung some minimal traffic na dinaanan namin. Most of us na caterer, we always prepare early, lalo na if malayo ang event place na pagsisetapan. We always have the most early call times as possible. Actually, us being a caterer is not just a day lang to prepare yung mga gamit na gagamitin namin for catering and styling. We are allotting 3 to 4 days para sa preps. From taking list down all the materials na gagamitin, lalo na if meron lang specific instruction of styling si client. We have to be careful every detail na ililist namin kasi may mamiss lang kaming isang detalye. It may affect all the work, lalo na if malayo kami from our base. If we only have limited time lang to set up. Given na nagagawa naman ng paraan, kapalit nga lang ang kaunting oras na sana ay pahinga na namin. And as a caterer, di pa tapos ang lahat ng yun sa na-mention ko. Next is doing the market for the foods to be served. Namamalengke, nag-grocery, prepping, and cleaning all the necessary materials sa pagluluto and all. And wait, there's more. The day of event itself, most of the time we had load our trucks early as possible, karaniwan 2 to 3 a.m. pa lang. Call time na namin for assembly ng mga waiters or helpers sa paglo-load ng gamit sa truck na dadalhin sa setup. Hindi lang isang truck ang aming daladala or nilalagyan ng gamit, kundi minsan 2 trucks pa. Wala pa dyan yung sasakyan para sa service ng tao and the food. Imagine kung gaano kahirap ang pinagdadaanan namin, wala pa yung real time ng event. Wala pa dito ang realidad. Karaniwan sa isang event, catering is the most early to arrive in the venue. Minsan nga a day before pa lang nagsiset up na yan sa venue, lalo na if may mga ceiling treatments or etc. We always arrive the earliest, but we always the one who went late. Kasi lahat ng sinet up namin ay kailangan naming uling ligpitin. Ikarga sa truck at i-unload ulit sa bodega. At isorting ulit para sa susunod pa ulit na event. Imagine,